Here is what no one tells you about most side hustles or working from home opportunities. You need money to start, marketing skills, you need time, you need transport. And that is the main reason so many people don't even bother to get started. And that is why I chose Deerpoint, because I don't have to sell anything. I merely share information with fellow South Africans and connect them to Deerpoint by means of a presentation. I leave the choice in the hands of my fellow South Africans to decide what product do they want or need, and then Deerpoint does all the after sales for me. No stock, no deliveries, and no sales experience needed. So my two questions to you is, what is the biggest thing that is stopping you from starting your own business? My second question to you is, if I can show you how to earn an extra income that's not going to interfere with what you are currently doing, are you open to look at it? Put your comments down below. I am looking forward to hearing from you.